If you're tired of studying hard and remembering nothing, you're not alone. Most people never learn how to learn. In this video, you'll discover science-backed techniques that help you learn smarter, not harder. Welcome to Smart Life Level Up, where we turn small daily wins into big life upgrades. If you're ready to learn smarter and live better, you're in the right place. Let's start with active recall. Instead of rereading, test yourself. Try explaining a concept from memory or using flashcards. This forces your brain to retrieve, and that's how it remembers. Next, spaced repetition. Review material over time, not in one sitting. Spacing out your reviews helps move information into long-term memory. Need focus? Use the Pomodoro technique, 25 minutes of study, 5-minute break. It helps you stay sharp and avoid burnout. Then, try interleaved practice. Switch between different topics instead of drilling one. It may feel harder, but your brain learns more deeply. Finally, design your learning space. Minimize distractions, silence your phone, and set up a system that supports focus. You don't need more hours, you need better methods. Which one of these will you try first? For more science-backed strategies on learning, growth, and smart living, subscribe to Smart Life Level Up. Let's level up, one smart choice at a time.